Have you ever realized how important your phone can be of help to you and what it can do? In this video you will get to know 15 amazing phone hack codes you had no idea existed to help perform some great functions. So without wasting any time, let's get into it.
IMEI number. This simple code *#06# is available for both Android and iPhone users. By pressing it you can see your International Mobile Equipment Identity Number, or, as it called, IMEI. IMEI is a unique code for your phone. It can be incredibly used in a lot of cases. For example, if you lose your phone or somebody steals it, knowing your IMEI number you can easily block your device from your internet service provider, ISP network, if it is necessary. The police often use this number for identification, so just press this combination to know what unique number your phone has. You never know when you will need it. Number identification. The code *#30# will help you turn your number identification on or off. So if you want to hide your identity, this is how it goes, and also works the other way round by pressing *30# to find out the number identification of the person calling you if she didn't turn it off beforehand. Fortunately, this only works on iPhones. Secret menu. The combination *4636# has various purposes depending on your device. If you have an Android, use this code to see your Wi-Fi signal as well as your battery and CPU usage statistics along with other information. Each of these selections have a variety of options. For example, in battery statistics you can find out your battery's health level and even temperature. This code is also quite useful to those people who stick to Motorola, as it opens up a secret menu of the phone. No outgoing calls. This code only works on iPhones. The aim of it is to disable any outgoing calls. Sometimes it is very necessary too, and code will definitely come in handy, so if you want to try, just press the following combinations *33*#. Now you be bored by any outgoing calls. Don't forget that you turn this function off any time by pressing number 33**#. Instant factory settings. Good news for Android users, you can have instant return to factory state after using the combination *#7780#*#. Your phone will remove Google account service as well as application data and setting. Don't forget that this combination is irreversible, so don't use it without a good reason. Whole reinstallation. If you want to go a little further to set everything on your phone to your liking from scratch, you can always reset all of your settings at once. The code *2767*3855# will not only remove all your phone files and settings but also reinstalls your phone firmware. So, again, think twice doing it. Once you press this combination, there is no way back. This code will work only on Android devices, though. Better communication. The combination *3370# is available only for iPhone users. It turns on an EFR coding. It improves the quality of your communication, but unfortunately it reduces battery lives, so you have to be prepared that after you activate this feature your phone will die way sooner than you thought. You can always deactivate this function just by pressing *3370#. Listen to yourself. Another fascinating feature is available for Android users. Press the combination *#8351# and you will able to listen to your records of your own voice during the last 20 phone calls. You can do it for fun or use this function when you need to refresh something in your memory. Service center number. iPhone users can quickly and easily find out the number of a service center for a current provider when in need by simply pressing *5005*7672#. This is a very cool way to get the correct number right here and now instead of searching for it from other resources. Great idea, Apple. Quick turning off. You know, when you long press the power button, your phone gives you some options such silent, airplane mode, as well as turning the power off, etc. Android users will understand me well. There is simple code for Android devices that will help you change the power button in your phone. Press ***7594 # and your phone will turn off instantly without showing you the small menu. This trick can be quite useful, right? Quick service menu. This code's for only Samsung Galaxy phones. You may not know about this, but you can have access to your service menu by pressing the combination ***0011#. With code you can explore your service mode and see all the extra information you may need.
Call waiting. We all have hectic and busy days when you just can't keep up with everything that is happening. For some of us, multiple calls and messages during the day are basically an essential part of their everyday lives. Well, if you are in this group of people and you have an iPhone, there is a very important function that make your life way easier. If this combination *43# will turn on call waiting by press the call button on your phone, meaning that from now on you will be notified anytime someone is calling when you are already on hold. And if you change your mind, you can dial number 43# to deactivate it. Signal information. Here is an interesting option that is available for iPhone user. Graphic mode isn't always correct and showing the level of the signal, which why sometimes it is better to turn on numeric mode, and to do that enter the field mode by tapping *3001 number 12345#*, then press and hold power till the off slide appears, then release power and press home. Now you see your signal in dBA. Keep in mind that -140 dBA is the worst signal you can have and -40 dBA on the other hand, the best one. To leave numeric mode, just tap the same code then press home. Straight to voicemail. It is no secret that everybody feels like they don't want to answer the phone from time to time. They can be just because they want to be left alone, or because you have your focus on something way more important and all of this calls keeps distracting you. In this kind of situation, iPhone users can turn the call forward function so that all your incoming calls will be pushed right to voicemail. All you have to do is to dial *21# and there you go, no more unwanted conservations. You can turn call forwarding off by dialing the same number when you are ready to pick your phone again. Hide your number in outgoing calls. And finally, we've got to one of the most interesting secret features your phone has. First of all, it works on both iPhone and Android users, which is wonderful, and secondly, it's the simple combination number 31# with phone number that will allow you hide your phone in all your outgoing calls.